Did you know that nearly 70% of people believe traveling is too expensive for them? Crazy, right? What if I told you that you can actually explore the world without breaking the bank? Let's dive into how you can travel on a budget and still have the time of your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds, traveling the world without overspending. You might think it's impossible, but trust me, it's absolutely doable with some smart strategies and planning. So if you're ready to pack your bags and explore the globe without draining your wallet, let's get started. Now let's chat about a common misconception that keeps many of us grounded, literally. A lot of people think that traveling is just too expensive. You know the drill. Flights, hotels, food, activities, it all adds up, right? This myth can be so discouraging and often prevents people from even considering a trip. But here's the thing. While it can be pricey, there are countless ways to travel smart and save those precious dollars. In fact, there are tons of budget travelers out there who have mastered the art of seeing the world without emptying their bank accounts. So let's put this idea to rest and explore how you can join their ranks. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Practical tips for budget travel. First up, finding cheap flights. Sign up for flight alerts on websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. You can snag amazing deals by being flexible with your travel dates. Next, let's talk accommodations. Instead of pricey hotels, consider hostels, Airbnb, or even house sitting. These options can save you a ton of cash. And when it comes to activities, don't forget to check out free walking tours or local events. There are often so many things to do that are either free or super affordable, and you'll get to experience the local culture without spending a fortune. Remember, traveling is about the experiences, not the price tags. Now, let me share a little personal experience. A couple of years ago, I backpacked through Southeast Asia for a whole month, and guess what? I spent less than $1,000. I flew on budget airlines, stayed in hostels, and ate street food. One of my favorite moments was when I joined a local festival in Thailand, and it cost me nothing. I got to immerse myself in the culture and meet amazing people, all while sticking to my budget. It just goes to show that with smart planning and an open mind, you can have incredible travel experiences without spending a fortune. So, to wrap it all up, traveling the world on a budget is totally possible. Keep those flight alerts handy, opt for affordable accommodations, and seek out budget-friendly activities. With these strategies, you can experience all the wonders the world has to offer without breaking the bank.